So I have the hiccups, and I just want to know what it sounds like, if it'll go. I don't know if it'll. Fuck with them. Could you take and call me baby without a doubt? I'm shouting your name right now, I'm shouting your name right now. Don't you get it, I'm nothing like another one. Slays upon the notion, I ain't hosting no rerun. Said it, wouldn't let it be all or none. Cause I ain't no rerun, Make you forget what you came here for. For goodness sake, let's make or break this. I think my hiccups are gone, so forget this.